Building your own home, a step by step guide. Homes come in all variants to fit all needs. Due to the rich choice of existing housing stock, plus the high cost of building a new construction home, must would be homeowners buy an existing house, and this is not a bad choice at all. Most houses are durable enough to last for decades, can readily be remodeled, and they have to potential for increasing in value. Yet, new construction homes have an unreadable around. A new house can be designed exactly for your needs. It comes with few, if any, hidden problems. Hazardous materials such as lead-based plant and asbestos are non-existent. New advantages and built into the house, and old problems are left out. So it is no surprise that most people would choose to build their own home rather than buy an old home if all other factors were the same. Should you act as your own contractor? When you decide to build your home, it is generally best to do so without a licensed general contractor. Many states do allow homeowners to act as a contractor for their own home. With this agreement, you become what is frequently termed an honest builders in order to contract out for a large strip project such as a home, rather than an outbuilding or small lower cost building. You need to apply for an owner's builder's expansion and to science to building permit application yourself. Yet very few people are equipped to act as their own general contractor (GC). Building a home required you to pull together many things and make sure that the conditions in a myriad of ways. Project and subcontractors have to be scheduled in the correct order. Interprets with the numbers multi-types inspections. We'll need to know the building code plus it helps employers to have a network of subcontractors who you rate on the perform trustworthy work. The person that does all of that is a general contractor. No general contractor overseeing home construction comes chiefs. Most general construction charge between 10% to 20% of the overall cost of the home build, and this includes permit and materials. It is a fee that most employed home builders find will or want with, especially if they have any trade and failed experience at general contracting. Save money with correctly. If you are interested or pitching in with your house built, and there is one way to do it. Quit in the form of a smaller individual project. Last stage post contract project can be done by the homeowners, rather than by the contractor. The throws late stage projects are better for do it yourself work because you do not risk showing down the house building project. Prepare the home site. First, it is time to get started recently and feasibility. Not only are you getting your project stand in your mind and on paper, but you are sitting your entire home on its entire spot. Clear the building site of brush and other debris down to ground level and at least 25 feet around the plant house perimeter. One land surveyor stake out the lot based on original plot drawing that indicate the property boundaries. To make an alteration to the site's topography if necessary to alter the water flow access the site. This often requires contractor with earth moving equipment. 3. Order a dumper to handle repairs during the building project. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget this subscribe, like, share.